Today's phrasal verb is give up. This means to quit or stop doing something. Here are some samples with explanations.
今日嗰個短義動詞呢，就係放棄，呢個係指離開或者停止做一樣嘢。而家我哋會有一啲例子去解釋。
Angel was excited when she joined the football team, but she wanted to give up after 1 week because the training was so hard. Angel was excited when she joined the football team, but she wanted to quit after 1 week because the training was so hard.
Angel 佢好興奮，當佢入咗呢個足球隊，但係佢想放棄喺1個禮拜之後，因為佢覺得呢個訓練實在太辛苦。
Katie felt discouraged because of her low marks in chemistry. She wanted to quit the class, but her friends said, "We also think chemistry is difficult, but we don't want to give up. Let's study together, and we can do well on the next exam." Katie felt discouraged because of her low marks in chemistry. She wanted to quit the class, but her friends said, "We also think chemistry is difficult, but we don't want to stop taking the class. Let's study together, and we can do better on the next exam."
Katie 就覺得好氣餒，因為佢個分數喺呢個化學科就好低分，佢想離開呢個班，但係佢朋友就話：我哋覺得化學呢一科都係好難嘅，但係呢，我哋唔諗住放棄，我哋一齊溫書啦，或者我哋可以做得好好喺呢個下一次嘅考試裏邊。
Thank you for listening, everybody.
Thank you.